Go from A to beyond with CCL Design Intelligent Decorative Technologies. As your fully integrated provider, we are here to help take you from concept to reality. With world-class project leadership, expertise in material science and engineering, CCL Design IDT brings high-impact surfaces to life. We deliver functional, durable, and lightweight products using streamlined, sustainable manufacturing processes. As vehicle interiors become increasingly important, so does the need to partner with experts.
Hello.
With CCL Design IDT, we deliver tomorrow, today. As design, engineering, and manufacturing specialists, we deliver a wide portfolio of products, capabilities, state-of-the-art intelligent decorative technologies, and expertise in surface decoration. All of this is underpinned by our global supply chain footprint, encompassing world-class manufacturing and supply chain resources across 6 continents. With CCL Design IDT, we work with clients from inception through the entire product lifecycle, delivering quality, consistency, and reliability. With our expertise, you can embrace the journey to sustainability with durable materials that minimize waste and power consumption to reduce your overall supply chain carbon footprint. The road to innovation is fueled by imagination. With CCL Design Intelligent Decorative Technologies, we draw on our history to help you accelerate now and pave the way for the future.